Ili Pika, also known as the magic rabbit, is a small mammal that inhabits the Tian Shan Mountains in China. It was first discovered in 1983 by Li Weidong, and is considered one of the rarest and most endangered species in the world. The Ili Pika has a distinct appearance, with short, round ears, a teddy bear-like face, and a thick, soft coat of fur that is gray-brown in color. It is roughly the size of a rabbit, weighing between 200 and 300 grams, and has a unique adaptation of being able to jump up to 60 centimeters in a single bound. Despite its cute and cuddly appearance, the Ili Pika faces numerous threats to its survival. Its habitat is being destroyed by human activities, such as mining and agriculture, and it is also at risk from climate change, which is causing its mountainous home to warm and dry out. Conservation efforts for the Ili Pika are crucial to ensure its survival. The Chinese government has designated the Tian Shan Mountains as a protected area, but more needs to be done to enforce regulations and prevent illegal activities. Scientists and conservationists are also working to raise awareness of the Ili Pika's plight and to study its behavior and habitat to better understand how to protect it. One of the challenges in protecting the Ili Pika is its elusive nature. It is difficult to spot in the wild, and its population size and distribution are not well known. However, recent efforts to survey the Tian Shan Mountains have resulted in some promising discoveries. In 2019, a team of researchers found a group of around 30 Ili Pikas in a previously unexplored area of the mountains, offering hope that there may be more populations of the species yet to be discovered. The Ili Pika is a fascinating and unique species that is in danger of extinction. Its cute appearance and charismatic behavior have made it a favorite among conservationists and nature enthusiasts, but more needs to be done to protect it. The destruction of its habitat and the effects of climate change are significant threats to its survival, but with conservation efforts and public awareness, there is hope that this rare and magical creature can be saved. It is important that we prioritize the protection of all endangered species, like the Ili Pika, and work towards a sustainable future where humans and wildlife can coexist in harmony. As individuals, we can also play a role in protecting the Ili Pika and other endangered species. We can reduce our carbon footprint by using renewable energy sources and reducing our consumption of meat and dairy. We can also support organizations that work towards wildlife conservation and protection of natural habitats. Additionally, we can educate ourselves and others about the importance of biodiversity and the impact of human activities on the environment. By working together, we can help ensure the survival of the Ili Pika and other endangered species for generations to come. As a content creator who loves animals, I encourage everyone to take action in their own way to support the preservation of endangered species like the Ili Pika. Whether it's through making small changes in our daily lives or supporting organizations that work towards conservation efforts, every effort counts. We owe it to the planet and the creatures we share it with to do our part in protecting biodiversity and ensuring a sustainable future. Let us work together to make a positive impact and ensure that generations to come can experience the wonder and beauty of the natural world. The Ili Pika, scientifically known as Ochotona iliensis, is a small and elusive mammal that inhabits the remote mountainous regions of the Tian Shan Mountains in northwestern China. Discovered in 1983 by Li Weidong, a conservationist, this unique creature has captured the hearts of many due to its adorable appearance and endangered status. In this 5-minute overview, we will delve into the taxonomy, habitat, physical features, behavior, and conservation status of the Ili Pika. Taxonomy and classification. The Ili Pika belongs to the order Lagomorpha, which includes rabbits and hares. It is classified under the genus Ochotona and is the only known species in its genus. It was initially thought to be a subspecies of the Pika, Ochotona, genus but was later recognized as a distinct species. The discovery of the Ili Pika brought attention to the unique biodiversity of the region. Habitat and distribution. The Ili Pika is found in the Tianshan Mountains of Xinjiang, China, at elevations between 2,800 to 4,100 meters. It inhabits rocky slopes and talus fields covered with alpine meadows and shrubs. The Tianshan Mountains are characterized by harsh and extreme climatic conditions, including long, cold winters and short summers. The precise distribution and population size of the Ili Pika remain largely unknown due to its elusive nature and the remoteness of its habitat. Physical features. The Ili Pika is a small mammal, measuring approximately 20 centimeters in length and weighing around 200 grams. It has a round body, short limbs, and dense fur that provides insulation in its cold alpine environment. The fur is a mixture of gray, brown, and russet tones, helping it blend in with its rocky surroundings. The Ili Pika has large, round eyes and small ears. Its Pika-like appearance has led to its nickname, the magic rabbit. Behavior and adaptations. The Ili Pika is primarily diurnal and herbivorous. Its diet consists of a variety of alpine grasses, herbs, and sedges. It spends much of its time foraging for food and gathering vegetation for storage. Like other pikas, it constructs hay piles, which serve as a crucial food source during the long winter months when food is scarce. The Ili Pika is well adapted to its rocky habitat, utilizing its strong claws for climbing and its keen eyesight to detect potential threats. Conservation status and threats. The Ili Pika is currently classified as endangered on the IUCN Red List of threatened species. Its population is estimated to be fewer than 1,000 individuals, making it highly vulnerable. The main threats to the Ili Pika's survival include climate change, habitat degradation, and predation. Climate change poses a significant risk as rising temperatures and reduced snow cover may affect the Pika's alpine habitat and alter its food availability. Additionally, human activities such as mining, agriculture, and infrastructure development encroach upon its limited habitat. Conservation efforts for the Ili Pika are challenging due to its remote and inaccessible habitat. However, initiatives have been undertaken to raise awareness and promote conservation. Research on its population dynamics, habitat requirements, and threats is crucial for effective conservation planning. Efforts are being made to establish protected areas and implement conservation measures to safeguard the species. Public engagement and support are vital to ensure the long-term survival of the Ili Pika.